Marker Nation, Markingay, and it's our first time here at Jobs Cafe and Restaurant here at Talaveran, Nueva Ecija. So, what are we waiting for? Let's explore! So this is their creamy spinach pizza. Grabe, gamit ko yan from the Pizza de Pugondo.
Yeah.
So I tried their iced lemon peach tea and they really used two tea bags. So yan, very first time sa akin na talagang naglagay sila ng tea bags in iced tea. Let's try! So sino ulit yung may-ari ng Jobs? Yung may-ari ng Jobs? Si Steve kasi.
Valenciano kasi yun. Si Jab Valenciano. Alana. Wiena. Doon ka na kay Jabs.
Kasi dito yung Jobs, ayun yung Jebs.
Jabs and Jabs.
Ayun po yung ating stand-up ngayon, stand-up comedy.
Iyak na ako. Si Jabs at si Jabs.
Buti na lang ako si Jobs.
Salamat ah. Salamat ah. Pwede magpabango?
Pwede na, pabaka na.
Hindi pa tapos. Ayun. So, magbango tayo.
Ay wow, ang bango na ni Jebs.
Jebs eh. Jebs diba? Yan lang ang pinakamabango. Kaya ano yung pinakamabangong Jebs? Tsaka yung laging outfit na Jebs.
Wow.
Nakaboost na Jebs. Brown.
Outfit check! Wow!
Brown, Jebs.
In Marker Nation, we are here. Ayan na nga guys. So actually usually 6 o'clock daw sila nagpapailaw. Pero syempre maaga naman nang since December, maaga dumidilim na. So ito guys, yung dati napakita kanina. Ngayon mailaw na guys. Napakaganda. Dubai inspired decorations here at Jobs Cafe and Restaurant. Woo! Uy, baba ka dyan!
Jebs, ikaw ba yan?
Ayun o. Kaway-kaway ka sa baba.
Ay, dito kasi, dito naman tayo.
Oh, kunwari tatalong ka.
Video ba yan?
Oo.
Video pala. Meron pa water. Uy ka, bye! Wow.
Oh my God, si Santa! Yun na yun. So we are here right now inside of the Lotus Restaurant here at Jobs Park and ito yung harap guys. Merong Christmas tree and merong Santa and then may mga nagpa-picture dyan ng mga other guests. So yan guys, mag-dinner na kami so let's try out their dinner here at Lotus Restaurant. guys, dito tayo sa pinakagitna na loob ng ating restaurant. So, magkahiwalay guys yung ano, yung mga bagets at mga... At forget. Ay, di po ako nagsabi na na. So guys, you are about to witness the Saruman of Dancing Fountain. So medyo na late kami kasi biglaang naglumabas yung announcement, pero ngayon papalapit na tayo, so let's watch. Nakapa yung ano niya kasi sa may harap kami. So para kami nagpapa-facial, no. Merong init kasi may apoy, tapos biglang bababasa dado sa tubig, tapos init, tapos patulit kasi pinasarap ka. Pero ang ganda guys. Ramdam na ramdam mo yung init talaga pag nasarap ka saka nababasa ka. So yun, very interactive, and in between siya ng mga sets ng mga band. So yun din, magandang ano, parang refresher din na tumatayo-tayo ka and nakapag-CR break ka in between. So ayun guys, meron doon ulit kami, hindi ko lang kumabutan pa namin. So yun, let's go back to the party! mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi sa huli. Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli. Nagdok ng second voice.
Second voice.
Nakaret.
Then to love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration with just one smile. Take my breath away to hold me close and say you stay with me now. The closer I get to you, the closer I get to loving you. Every time it's only my time, we'll be together. And a little
Oh, sorry pa. Kanya-kanya camera. Asan yung kanta? Sayo natin kanina.
we'll be one to want to.
That concludes our vlog here at Jobs Park. We had fun, we enjoyed our time here, and ayun, time check, it's almost 10:30 and we're going home. So yun, like and subscribe, Margaret Kuway. Again, thank you Jobs Park. Bye!